Imagine a world where Jose Rizal is just another name in history books, overshadowed by modern icons. Does the world sound realistic or even desirable? We live in a digital age where new heroes emerge from social movements, sciences, and technology. But does this mean Rizal is no longer relevant? Now, how can we make Rizal obsolete? Or does he remain crucial in shaping our national identity? Renato Constantino, in his article Our Task is to Make Rizal Obsolete, challenges us to think and rethink Rizal's role, arguing that reliance on a single historical figure hinders national progress. While some believe Rizal's techniques and teachings have been surpassed by modern ideologies, others argue that his ideals remain foundational. Now, to answer the question, we must evaluate Rizal's impact on our values, education, and nationalism as of today. So Rizal is a timeless inspiration. His advocacy for education and critical thinking is still the backbone of our academic and intellectual pursuits. His call for peaceful reform mirrors modern activism in democracy and human rights. And the risk of declaring him obsolete. Without Rizal, do we lose a unifying symbol of Philippine identity? While we need new heroes, Rizal's legacy provides a historical benchmark for civic responsibility and patriotism. Now, how does Rizal's ideals adapt to modern society? Rizal's belief in self-improvement aligns with today's global competitiveness. His writings expose societal issues, corruption, inequality, and that persist today. Now, for our final argument. Rizal is not meant to be worshipped, but neither should he be discarded. Instead, we must reinterpret his legacy for the present age. Now, what would be our call to action? Instead of making Rizal obsolete, let's use his ideals as a foundation to create new leaders, new thinkers, and a stronger nation. Now, the question isn't whether Rizal should become obsolete. It's whether how we, as Filipinos, will choose to outgrow or uphold the values he stood for. Thank you.